In 5 seconds, a sizzling pan flashes neon lemon zest as a bold snack crashes onto the screen, neon glow and fast cuts making your mouth water. SnackHackStreak then fires up a turbo hack where buttery crackers meet creamy cheese and a cheeky honey citrus glaze. Gather buttery crackers, cream cheese, lemon zest, honey, chili flakes, a microwave-safe ramekin, and parchment for a crunch-ready setup. Warm the cheese, dip crackers, dust zest and chili, drizzle honey, and stack into tiny towers for a zingy finish. The bite explodes with crackly, sweet heat and a bright citrus finish while a call to action pops up asking viewers to subscribe, like, and share their own quick hacks.